introducing little man to feeding the animals and see how he does. He's already getting me wrapped up. He's like, who are all these people? All right, let's keep going. I know they're kind of scary, huh? We don't know what these guys are. Yeah, everybody's running because they do this little bitty guy. That's right. The goats and the sheep are already back in the pen because, well, I guess the sheep aren't, but they're like, come on already, hurry up. Hurry up and feed me. He's doing good. He's definitely curious about it. All right, go get in the pen. He's like, I want to see all these guys. Oh, I gotta get the gate shut and explore everything. Yeah, that's a big gate. You gotta get out of the way. It's a little, looks like Ernie's a little bit curious about what is going on with this new guy. What's up with the new guy? So are the donkeys. What do you think? You want to meet the sheep and the goats, huh? Oh, no. You could go right through that fence. Thank goodness I have you on a leash. Let's not eat their food. All right, let's go. You got to keep moving. That's the farm life. You got to keep moving. Everybody's hungry. He's so little. I have on my little baby Chihuahua's leash or like harness on him. Of course, he's going to outgrow it. Well, he's going to outgrow it pretty quickly, but that's why if you see it's pink because she was a girl. And this is what I had for right now. Chili, are you scared of this baby? He's really not scared of nothing. He has not met the pigs yet, though. Definitely very curious little guy. Ready to beat out. Yeah, I know you're ready to beat out the sun. That's for sure. He's like, I know where there's a shady spot. All right, we ready to go? Let's go feed the pigs. Ready to feed pigs? Let's go meet Max and Bentley. Come on, we gotta go meet Max and Bentley. They're waiting on us. They're hungry. Yeah, let's see. That's Max. And there's Bentley. I know. Let's go feed him. Come on. Learning all about farm life. Gonna have to learn about farm life. All right, you ready? You gonna meet Max? Gonna meet Bentley? Yep, just more farm animals. Yeah, just more farm animals. You ready? Let's go. Let's not play with poop, though. No, we're not going to play with farm poop. That's not the part that we're supposed to be out here doing. But I got you all tied up now, huh? Yeah, I do. I got you all tied up. You've been a good boy. Yes, you've been a good boy. Have I worn you out now already? Yeah. All right. Let's go. You are worn out. The grass feels good in the shade, huh? Come on. Let's go. You want to meet the goats again? Meet the goats again? I'm sorry. Did I scare you? Yeah? Let's see. I don't know what he is. He's little. About the size of a tiny chihuahua, but you're definitely baby and have puppy breath. Yeah. He's super cute. Super sweet. You're not scared of much, are you? Yeah. You're a good baby. He's a good baby. Yeah. Yeah. The good baby. I guess we'll be taking him to the vet to find out how old he is. I can imagine that you're probably only a couple of months old because you're still all baby. Sharp little puppy teeth, sharp little puppy claws, all puppy, still have puppy breath. Yeah. Still full of energy. How could somebody dump this baby? You know, there's a special place for people who dump puppies. Yeah, that's all I got to say about that. Yeah, it's true. It's true. It's true.